Creating high-quality videos for social media is exhausting. Between scripting, filming, and editing, it can take hours, if not days, to make just one video. And let's be honest, not everyone has the budget for a full production team. But what if you could turn a simple text prompt into a fully edited, engaging video, complete with captions, B-roll, and viral optimization in just a few clicks? Well, now you can with Vadoo AI. Vadoo AI is an AI-powered video generator designed to help content creators, marketers, and businesses quickly create videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and more, without the hassle of manual editing. Just type in your idea, and Vadoo AI will generate a fully edited video ready to share. Vadoo AI automatically creates engaging videos from text prompts, optimized for social media. Viral Clip Finder. Want to repurpose long-form content? Vadoo AI identifies the most shareable moments in your videos and turns them into short, high-impact clips. Podcast to video. Turn your podcasts into visual content with captions, B-roll, and AI-generated voices in over 30 languages. Automated scheduling. Create videos and schedule them to auto-post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and more, so you stay consistent without extra effort. No more spending hours editing. With Vadoo AI, you can create professional-looking videos in minutes without needing any editing experience. If you're ready to scale your video marketing, repurpose content effortlessly, and boost your brand's visibility without the headache, Vadoo AI is the tool for you. Click the link in the description to get lifetime access to Vadoo AI. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content creation tips. See you in the next video.